I walk into the market. The air is full of sounds. People talk, sellers call, children laugh. The market is busy and alive. I take a slow step and look around. On my left, I see a fruit stall. The bananas are yellow, the mangoes are sweet, the apples are red and shiny. The seller says, "Fresh fruit, good price." I smile and say softly, "The fruit looks fresh." Repeat after me, "The fruit looks fresh." I walk a little further. I hear the sound of a knife cutting vegetables. A woman is buying green cucumbers. A man carries a bag full of tomatoes. The colors are bright. I say, "The vegetables are fresh and colorful." Say it again. The vegetables are fresh and colorful. The smell of fried snacks comes from another stall. Someone is making samosas. Oil sizzles in the pan. The smell is warm and tasty. I say, "The snacks smell good." You say, "The snacks smell good." A small boy helps his father at a fish stall. The fish are silver and shiny. Some fish move slowly in a bowl of water. The seller shouts, "Fresh fish, fresh fish." I say, "The fish are fresh and shiny." Repeat, "The fish are fresh and shiny." I turn to the meat stall. The butcher cuts the meat carefully. He uses a big knife. The meat is red and the board is wooden. People wait in a short line. I say, "The butcher cuts meat carefully." Say it again. The butcher cuts meat carefully. I hear the sound of money and coins. A woman pays the seller. He gives her change. The coins fall with a small sound. I say, "She pays money and takes change." Say it slowly. She pays money and takes change. The road inside the market is narrow. People move left and right. Some carry heavy bags. Some stop to look. I walk carefully. I say, "The market road is narrow and busy." Repeat, "The market road is narrow and busy." I see a spice shop. Red chili powder, yellow turmeric, brown cinnamon, and green herbs. The smell is strong but beautiful. I say, "The spices have a strong smell." Say it with me. The spices have a strong smell. Next to it, a rice shop is full of big sacks. White rice, brown rice, small grains, long grains. The seller uses a metal bowl to measure. I say, "The shop has many sacks of rice." Repeat, "The shop has many sacks of rice." I walk slowly. I see clothes hanging. Bright saris, shirts, and t-shirts move in the wind. A woman touches the fabric and asks for the price. The seller says a number. She shakes her head and smiles. I say, "She asks the price of the sari." You say, "She asks the price of the sari." Children run in the market. They laugh and play near the corner. One boy carries a small balloon. A little girl eats a piece of sugar cane. I say, "The children play in the market." Say it again. The children play in the market. I hear bargaining. A man says, "Too much, too much." The seller replies, "Good price, good quality." They smile and talk more. Finally, they agree. I say, "They bargain in the market." Repeat, "They bargain in the market." A bicycle bell rings. I move to the side. The bicycle passes carefully between people. I say, "The bicycle passes slowly." Say it with me. The bicycle passes slowly. I see plastic bags full of onions, garlic, and ginger. Their smell is sharp but familiar. I say, "The onions are in the bag." Repeat, "The onions are in the bag."
I look up, the sun is high, the market feels hot. Sellers use hand fans, customers wipe sweat from their faces. I say, the market is hot and crowded. Repeat, the market is hot and crowded. I stop at a juice stall. Fresh orange juice is in glasses. The man squeezes oranges one by one. The juice looks cold and sweet. I say, the juice looks fresh. Say it again, the juice looks fresh. I take a sip and smile. Around me, life goes on. People buy, sell, talk, laugh, and walk. The market is full of voices and colors. I say, the market is full of life. Say it slowly. The market is full of life. Now let's practice quick market sentences together. I see red apples. I buy fresh fish. I hear many voices. I smell hot food. The seller gives change. The woman carries a bag. The child eats sugarcane. The bicycle passes quickly. The shop sells rice. The market is busy. At the end of the visit, I take a deep breath. I think in English about what I saw, what I heard, what I smelled, and what I felt. I smile and say, I can describe the market in English. Repeat, I can describe the market in English. Thank you for walking with me in the market. Practice every day. Speak short sentences. Repeat often. Think in English, step by step, and your English will grow stronger.